Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a community group in WhatsApp on your PC step by step. WhatsApp communities allow you to organize multiple groups under one community, making it easier to manage conversations for schools, workplaces, clubs, and other organizations. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp desktop on your computer and sign into your account. On the left side of the screen, look for the Communities icon. It usually appears above your chat list. Click Communities. If you haven't created a community before, you'll see an option called Create New Community. Click Create New Community to continue. WhatsApp will now ask you to enter information about your community. First, type a name for your community. Choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of the community. Next, you can add a description explaining what the community is about and what members can expect. You can also click the camera icon to upload a profile picture for your community if you'd like. After entering the details, click the green arrow or Next button. Now you'll have the option to add existing groups to your community. You can select groups that you've already created, or you can create new groups directly from this screen. Choose the groups you want to include and click the green check mark to continue. WhatsApp will then create your community and add the selected groups. Once the community is created, you'll see it listed in the Communities section. You can open the community at any time to manage groups, send announcements, and communicate with members. And that's it. You've successfully created a community in WhatsApp on your PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.